Alright, let's face it, if you're watching this video, you're probably feeling a bit stuck right now. You're clearly an ambitious person, you have all of these big goals and dreams and aspirations, and if you've watched my recent videos, you'll know that I was able to become financially successful at an early enough age with a skill called copywriting. But I'll be honest with you, if I had known what I'm about to reveal with you right now, I'd have been much more successful. See, you probably already know this, but copywriting is just the skill of writing emails or websites or ads for other businesses online. It's something that pretty much anyone can start if they're a complete beginner, but what most people don't know is that there's actually a new way of writing for businesses online that's making so many beginners rich right now. And to prove it, here's a clip from me and one of my coaching students on a call last week. Here, you got some news for me here.
Yes, bro, I just got my first client.
Hey, buddy! That's unbelievable.
Let's go.
How much was it?
500, bro.
That's
Straight in the bank account.
Oh. So in this video, we're going to cover three things. Number one, how this new type of writing can get you to 10k a month. Number two, how you can learn to do it for free. And number three, where to find clients that are desperate to pay you for it. So what is this new type of writing that can make you rich? Well, it's called YouTube script writing. So I've already showed you a student that got results with this, but let me explain why YouTube script writing is so lucrative right now. In the last few years, we've seen millions of business owners getting onto YouTube in order to get more clients for their business. And I'm talking here about businesses centered around educational content. So these are people whose businesses revolve around teaching yoga, guitar, starting a business. And with that massive influx of people comes a massive demand for script writers, aka potentially you. You see, the same way that YouTubers will hire an editor to edit their videos or a thumbnail designer to make the thumbnails, they'll also hire script writers to help them make the script. These guys are so lazy. But that presents a massive opportunity for beginners like you to get in and work with these businesses. And so if you're working with YouTubers, what's one thing that we can guarantee YouTubers all have? Lots of goddamn money. You see, these YouTubers that are making videos to promote their business will make these videos every single week, and they will cost a certain amount of money to produce. So this video on screen might cost $300 to pay a video editor. It might cost $200 for a thumbnail designer to make the thumbnails. And what you probably didn't know is that it costs about $400 for a scriptwriter to write the script. Now, if you're still grasping what actual script writing would look like, I will explain that later. But you take that $400 per script and you multiply that out by twice a week, every week, in a month. That's about $3,200 a month for literally writing YouTube scripts on a free Google document. So there is a lot of money in script writing for people like you. But there is a massive problem that you need to understand if you're going to try and do this. You see, there's actually an ocean of YouTube script writers out there right now. So how do you actually become a good enough scriptwriter to get paid? Well, I put a job post out about 6 months ago on a website called ytjobs.co. I was looking for a scriptwriter to help me write some content that I was doing at the time. I was a lot lazier, I was traveling, give me a break, right? But when I went back a week later to check the applications for this job, I was blown away. There was like 250 applications to be my scriptwriter. And what happened next was probably the most depressing thing I have ever had to endure in my long life. Out of the 200 scriptwriters that had applied, not a single one was actually good enough to write for me. I just wasted 6 full hours going through all of these applications. And so the big problem I can see can be easily explained by a metaphor. Have you ever been to the gym and you see a guy that's doing the exercise completely the wrong way? Like, this is the type of thing you would see on those gym fails videos. The guy's probably started the gym with the best intentions and said to himself, I don't need to get a personal trainer, I can just do this myself. Then he goes on to publicly embarrass himself in front of everybody in the gym. You see, going to the gym is something that anybody can do, but it doesn't mean anybody can do it well. And that's pretty much the same with YouTube script writing. Anyone can write a script on a Google Doc because they saw some crappy template of how to write scripts on YouTube. But these templates are so bad and they will never make you money because the templates aren't really designed for the type of videos that you have to write in order to get paid. See, if you were to write a script for a Mr. Beast video where you tell him what to say, that's going to be completely different to a script that you would write for an educational creator who's looking to get new customers. Educational YouTube videos are a niche that not many people are able to write for right now. And you know what they say? The riches are in the niches. So, how do you learn to write for educational videos? The first way is that you go and do this for free. You try and learn how to write YouTube scripts and you get a basic grasp of it. And you can do that on YouTube. I'm sure there are loads of script writing courses out there. I'm not sure they're going to be very good, but I know that whenever I bring one out for free, it'll be great. And look, if you have absolutely no money right now, that's a good idea. The second option is you can just skip the queue, save a lot of time, and shameless plug here, you could work with me and my team as we help you get good at YouTube scripts. But before you make your next move, free or paid, you'll need to understand how to actually get clients if you're offering this service. It comes down to a simple process. Firstly, you have to get good at YouTube script writing so you're actually worth someone's hard-earned money. This is business. People aren't just going to pay you for the easiest, most template thing that you can put up. They're paying you to do something that they can't do themselves. The next thing you want to do is find a tool like Prosperity and collect a list of email addresses of YouTubers that might be able to work with you if they're in the education space. Then you want to send them a personalized email to each one of them detailing how you can save them time and make them more money by writing quality YouTube scripts for their channel. Once you get some responses, you can offer to write the first script completely free and get them on a sales call. You just need to show them that you have talent. If all goes well, they'll be able to pay you a couple of $100s per script that you write for them. But again, you'll never make good money as a scriptwriter if you don't actually know how to write scripts. So I recommend that you book a call with me and my coaching team down below, and we can see if we can help you get good at this. And look, if you're not able to invest in coaching right now, that's absolutely fine. I know a lot of you are not in a position to do so. So I recommend that you understand what I talk about in this video because it'll help you make money as a beginner copywriter.